Hello guys, I want to share with you this new platform that made me over 50 USDT on my account. Now on this platform you don't have to do anything, you are not doing anything on this platform and you're going to be getting a generated income every single day. All you just have to do is to come in daily and claim your generated income. Now in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to register and how to leverage this platform and also get the same exact results I got on this platform. Now all I ask from you is to please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. So right now, to set up an account on this platform, all you just have to do is to click the first link on the pinned comment section and it's going to bring you over to this interface. Now on this interface, you just have to input a registered email address, put in a password. Make sure this password you're actually putting in is a password that you can always remember. Then once you're done inputting all these details, all you just have to do is to come down and click on register. Then automatically your account will be created right on this platform. Now this is a new platform where you can actually generate income every single day and place withdrawal every single day. Now there's a new strategy I'm going to teach you in this video, but before going ahead to teach you this, all I just want to do is to place a withdrawal of what I have on my account, which is the 3 USDT. Now to place withdrawal on my account, all I just have to do is to come down to withdraw and it's going to take me over to this interface. Right here you can actually see that you can withdraw using your TRX or your BEP20 USDT. Now we are actually using our BEP20 USDT to withdraw. All we just have to do is to copy our address, put in the amount we want to withdraw, and put in that security password you set while creating your account. Now to copy your BEP20 wallet address, you just have to come down to your Bybit and come down to deposit, then click on deposit with crypto. Now you're going to be seeing the USDT, or you can type that. Now you can actually see we have different network right here. So we are going to select the BEP20 USDT, then come right here and slide this to confirm and copy our wallet address of the BEP20 wallet. Now go back to your account. The next thing you want to do is to come down to where it says please enter your withdrawal address. So we are just going to input this, paste this, and we are going to click BEP20 USDT. Okay, so right now we just have to paste our wallet address, then put in the actual amount you want to withdraw, then put in that security password you want to use to place withdrawal on your account. But before going ahead to place this withdrawal, you can come down to read the warm reminder that says in order to maintain the stable operation of the platform, a fixed fee of 1 USDT is charged for each withdrawal as maintenance fee. Okay, so you can just go through all this so you can know what to expect while placing withdrawal on your account. So right now you can actually see that the actual arrival I'll be getting on my account is 3 USDT, and I'm going to be showing you a proof of this withdrawal. Right now all I just have to do is to click on confirm. So I'm going to be placing this withdrawal right on my account. As you can see, withdrawal success. So right away I'm going to show you the withdrawal proof received from this platform. And so guys, I just said I'll be getting the credited amount of 3 USDT in no time. So right now you can actually see the date I got this credited amount and the details of this transaction. Now in this platform, all you just have to do is to place your withdrawal, and so each time you place withdrawal on your account and it takes long for you to get it, kindly contact the customer service for you to be credited with the amount you just withdrawn from your account. So this is how swift and fast the withdrawal method on this platform works. When you look at this platform, you can see that it is a newly launched platform which you can start to pledge and you can start earning from it immediately. I will advise, if you're watching this video right now, click the first link on the pinned comment section, start up with an account and start earning with this platform. Now this is a platform that gives you daily return every single day. Now when you come to your account, you can actually see that this is a specified platform that allows you get daily returns of what you are going to invest. Now when you come to your account, you can actually go down where it says add to staking. Now it says please enter the pledge amount and please enter the number of days. Now since I have this amount of USDT on my account, let me say I want to pledge with this. I just have to come down to where it says please enter the pledge amount, and I'm going to put in 50, and this 50 I actually want to get the daily return for 30 days. So once you enter all these details and you come down, you can actually see that in a day I'll be getting 50% of my daily returns, and in 24 hours I'll be making 7.5 USDT, that is 7.50 USDT on my account. Now in the total of 30 days I'll be getting 225 USDT on my account. So right now, the next thing that I want to do after inputting all the details is to click on staking. So once I click on staking, it's going to ask me to confirm the staking of 50 USD for 30 days. All I just need to do is to click on confirm, and it's going to say stake successful. Now when I come down to my account, you can actually see that a daily income of 7.50 USD will be assigned to me every single day. Now if you actually want to get a full details of your staking details, just come down to where it says active contract, and you're going to be seeing your order number, your staking product, and the staking amount, which is the 50 USD, and the staking days, which is 30 days, and your staking profit of 15% every single day. Now if you actually want to go ahead using this platform, the first thing you want to do is to come down to where it says recharge, because you need to fund your account before you can go ahead to have access in staking on this platform. Now when you come down to recharge, you can actually see that we have the recharge type of TRC20 USDT, the TRX, the BEP20 USDT, the BNB, and the BEP20 USDT. Now these networks allows you send in funds to this platform. Whichever one you have chosen, all you just have to do is to come down to where you have the wallet address, copy this wallet address, then transfer the exact fund to this platform. Now once you transfer the exact fund you want to use in staking to this platform, come back and click on recharge complete. Now this is a warm reminder, copy the address above or scan the QR code and select the network. Now please do not recharge other non-TRC network, so just click on the particular type you want to recharge with, and you're going to copy the address right on your account. So once that is done, you're going to be seeing this reflecting on your Invest wallet. Then you can go ahead to come down to where it says add to staking. What you just have to do is to enter the amount you have pledged and the number of days you want to keep earning on this platform. Now it's advisable to pledge above 10 USD, and you should pledge for 30 days, so you'll be getting a high return every single day. So this is how this platform works, and you can start earning right away. So if you have any questions regarding this video, you can feel free to drop them on the comment section, and I'll be glad to give replies to that. And so another beneficial way you can use to maximize your earnings is by coming over this hamburger icon right here. You're going to be seeing a referral program. Click on that, and you're going to be seeing your referral link, which is your affiliate link. You can go ahead to affiliate this program and share with your friends, and you're going to be getting a generated income for every user you bring to this platform. Okay, so all you just have to do is to copy your affiliate link, then share with your friends, maybe on Facebook, WhatsApp, or any group you are into, and you're going to be getting a generated income also from these individuals you have brought to this platform. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it, and if you did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. See you in my next video, and keep winning.